7:53 now. Here's a little inside info on Good Day Sacramento. Earlier this morning, Lisa Gonzalez asked the producers the difference between croquet and cricket. And after they stopped laughing, they politely explained cricket more like golf, croquet more like golf, rather, cricket more like baseball.
I had no idea.
Yeah, okay.
She's live in Roseville sorting it out. And by the way, the lighting is phenomenal.
Oh, well, thank you very much. By the way, for the record, I said, am I playing croquet or am I playing cricket? I wasn't sure which, because I know how to play croquet.
Yeah. Well, that's a question that comes up every weekend. Am I playing cricket or croquet?
Why let the facts get in the way of a good
What
story?
am I doing this weekend? Right. Yeah. It's a gentleman's game, though, although some women do play. They have an international team, but they're mostly gentlemen playing. It's a gentleman's game. It's been around since the 16th century, and it's a fun game to watch. You can see these guys. We're here in Roseville. They're playing. I have Mohammed Khandar with me here, and you're part of the Sacramento Cricket Association, even though it's kind of really Sacramento area, right?
Yeah, actually I'm the president of the Sacramento Cricket Association.
Did they just get a 6-run?
They just got him out. If you see, that's the pitcher pitched the ball and the ball went straight inside the wickets. He missed the ball and it hit the wicket, then he's out.
Okay, let's talk about how this is not like baseball. Okay, so you guys know baseball, you can argue with the umpire. You know, you could do a little bit of this, right? You kick with the grass. No. No arguing, no foul language on any call that's made.
So I would call the umpire as the captain of the boat. He has the supreme authority. You cannot argue, you cannot question his decision.
Lisa, we're going to get back to you. It's getting some interference there on her microphone, unfortunately, because we didn't get to clarify that she did ask, am I playing cricket or croquet? And then with a follow-up question of, and what's the difference?
Yes.
So, yeah.
I would like to see them play. I have no idea how that works, so we'll try to get dialed back in there in just a little bit. It's 916-220-5259 if you want some information, the Sacramento Cricket Association.
All right.